So to go to the tutorial, you're going to look for the pin that has the tutorial on it, and you're going to tap it, you're going to open it, and you're going to tap on the first character that is there, and it's going to show you a tutorial story of how this works.
FabuLingua. Exploring FabuLingua. Tutorial. Tutorial.
So the first thing that happens is the text gets read, and then this finger is telling you, hey, tap here.
El barco. The boat.
And so you're going to follow that tutorial and tap here.
The waterfall.
And so you're learning extra language, and then it's going to tell you tap to the next page, but you can also tap other words and learn those.
La maleta, the suitcase. El salvavidas, the lifesaver. Las montañas, the mountains. El mar, the sea.
Anyway, you can carry on tapping and discovering new things, or go to the next page. And again, now you're going to read this. Nothing is interactive while the narrator is speaking. You have to pay attention to this.
FabuLingua, how FabuLingua works.
Here we're showing you that magical translation and how it works, and then after the page becomes interactive, you follow and tap what the hand has suggested.
El barco, the boat.
The hand is telling you that you can also tap the words,
story.
and you're going to get the syllabic breakdown and the translation. It's a built-in dictionary for everything on every page, but you can also tap other things, like I said before.
La roca, the rock. La arena, the sand. El libro, the book.
Before you move on.
Termina un cuento. Finish a story para ganar, to earn, las llaves del cuento, the story keys. Las llaves abren, the keys open, cofres del tesoro, treasure chests, en la tienda, in the shop.
Again, tap the things that it's suggesting. Now, not all the stories have these hands. This is mostly the tutorial story
del tesoro,
to teach you to tap around and explore things.
Llaves, keys.
Okay?
Leer cuentos, reading stories, también te da magia. Also gives you magic. Que potencia, that powers up tu brújula, your compass, y te ayuda and helps you a descubrir nuevas ubicaciones, discover new locations.
So then you tap.
La brújula, the compass.
So, and this is the end of the tutorial story. It's only 3 pages long, but this long and short of it is that you earn keys for every story that you read, and you also power up a magic compass that allows you, once it's fully powered up, to discover new locations. So you collect your keys at the end of the story by tapping right there, and then you can move on to other places. Once you've collected your keys, we always suggest going to the shop and spending your keys. These are the keys that I happen to have had, and you can spend them in whichever chest you want, and it's full of rewards like stickers and playing cards.